Welcome to our training on how Fulfillment by Amazon, or FBA, works. Today we'll cover FBA benefits, how FBA works, FBA fees, and the inventory dashboard. FBA is a great way to grow your business and reach more customers in the Amazon store. When you send products through FBA, Amazon stores your inventory, ships your orders, and handles both returns and customer service on your behalf. Your FBA products also become eligible for Amazon Prime free 2-day shipping and free shipping for all Amazon customers on eligible orders. Here's how FBA works. You'll first register for FBA and decide which products you'd like to send to Amazon. Then you'll create your FBA shipment, prep and label your products, and send your shipment off to Amazon's fulfillment centers. Once your shipment is received, your products become available for customers to purchase on your product detail page in the Amazon store. When a customer purchases one of your FBA offers, Amazon packs and ships the order on your behalf. Amazon's customer service will also assist your customers and handle any returns. To put it simply, you sell and Amazon handles the rest. In order to make the most of FBA, it's important to understand two core fees: fulfillment fees and monthly inventory storage fees. Fulfillment fees are per-unit fees for picking, packing, and shipping items to customers. These fees vary depending on an item's size, weight, and category. Monthly inventory storage fees vary depending on the average daily volume of space your inventory occupies in fulfillment centers, product size tiers, and the time of year. To help calculate FBA fees, we've created a tool called the FBA Revenue Calculator. This tool allows you to view fulfillment fees and monthly inventory storage fees for different products. You can also use it to compare costs between your fulfillment method and Amazon fulfillment. To access this tool, search for Revenue Calculator in Seller Central. To help forecast and maintain your FBA inventory, we also provide reporting tools located on your inventory dashboard in Seller Central. Here you have access to a number of reports that help you maintain a balanced inventory level, avoid long-term storage fees, and keep your most popular products in stock. This concludes our How FBA Works training. You now have the tools to grow your business and reach more customers with FBA. Thank you, and happy selling in the Amazon store.